Everybody, my name is Luke. Thank you very much for tuning in for this episode of the Outdoor Gear Review, where it is time for some viewer mail. I have 3 packages here. What's in the boxes? Let's see. We have this one here, and this comes from my good buddy, Mick. Mick, thank you so much, my friend, for whatever this is. Let's see. We'll use my psychic powers here. It's a pair of gloves. I have a feeling it is not a pair of gloves. We'll open it from the bottom because why not? With this box, we'll open it from the side somehow because we can. So Mick, what is in the box, good buddy? So this is an Orbit head lantern, 180 degree view Orbit. 3350 milliamp hour battery, 1000 lumen brightness. Whoa. Now that is different. That is really, really different. Herkins. I haven't heard of the brand. Have the battery pack on the back. Herkins. Herkin for a something. Take a look at the instructions. Okay, when it's off, press and hold the dial switch for 1 second to turn the product on. Okay. Ah, okay. Oh, that is wild. That is absolutely wild. So it gets really dim and then really bright. 1 second to turn it back off. What? That is cool. See, it's a little bit big for me right now. It needs to be adjusted, but that is wild, isn't it? Check that out, everybody. I have not seen anything like this before. That is definitely different. Mick, thank you so much, buddy. That is very, very unique. All right, so I'm back for package number 2. This one comes from Bob. Bob, how are you doing, buddy? Big orange ball, sun in the sky, completely different. Bob, I have a question for you. What's in the box? Let's use my psychic abilities here. I am the worst psychic. Let's see. There's some beef jerky, a pair of gloves, and some sort of food, like a trail mix or something. Now, I said I was going to go through the side. Yeah, I lied. That would require me tearing this box a new one. Ah, I might be more of a psychic than I originally thought. So check this out. We have some Backpackers Pantry meals. This is Jamaican-style jerk chicken. Oh, man. I freaking love jerk chicken. Cat Amundu curry. Sweet. I haven't had either one of those, and I can't wait. Colorado omelet. Sweet, man. I have been needing some new trail food. Beef stroganoff with noodles. Scrambled eggs with bacon. What is this one? Proudly made in Maine. It's a Bibi M. Pap, I don't know. Okay, I'll just forget that part. Spicy Korean mixed rice with sesame, carrots, and spinach. Oh, that sounds amazing. Wow, thank you so much, buddy. What else do we have in here? All right, some fire starter. Keep the bugs away, right? Some candles and whatnot. Let's see, we have a hat here that says IV 8888. Ah, that gun channel, right? Iraq veteran, I think that's what that is. I actually subscribe to Iraq veteran 8888. I unfortunately haven't watched one of his videos in a really long time. Just been too busy. Make sure to support the gun related channels on YouTube because their days are numbered. So that's my hat right there. What do you guys think? This freaking helicopter's ruining my filming right now. I'll bring you all back in just a minute. So as I was saying, I'm not one to wear hats all that much. I've never really thought I had the right head for it, but what do you guys think? Is this a good look? Should I begin wearing hats? I'm counting on you to give me some real honest advice. Let me have it. I'm always honest and straight shooting with you all. I expect the same. Oh yeah. Let's see, we have 2 coins here. United States Navy coin. Department of Defense. Wow, these are cool. I'm going to keep these forever. It truly does humble me. I'm not sure if I deserve all the kindness, but I really do appreciate it big time. And Bob, thank you so much for the new meals. I've been needing some. And Mick, thank you for the headlamp. That thing is bizarre, dude. Where did you find that? I cannot wait to try that thing out. I will actually be able to try that thing out tonight because I will be out here until late tonight. I'm testing out a new flashlight. It is definitely going to be a long one for me. Now, the next package comes from Jim, and I have a good idea as to what is in here. Jim is a very talented man, and I cannot wait to show this off. I can't wait to see it because he's been hard at work on something for me. Jim, what's in the box? Wake up. Anyone who's out here is probably like, oh. You may be wondering, Luke, why do you always open the packages from the bottom? And that's because that's the easiest access point. Most people, most companies only put one piece of tape on the bottom of a package. Just like this one, just like all the others. The top, taped up big time. The bottom, not so much. Okay, so we have this, we have this, we have this, then we have this. The Outdoor Gear Review. Jim, let me just start off by saying here, your handwriting is awesome. Second, I really, really appreciate you, buddy. Okay, it says, Luke, I've started the process of learning how to sew. Mainly this was to make a coat to use when camping. The hook is set. Please keep in mind these items are in a prototype stage. As he's gaining the skills, he can produce more. I hope you can put them to use. He would like my first impressions when I unbox them. He would also like to hear how these perform in proper conditions. Buddy, thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So to start off, check out these 2 bags right here. 2 different sizes. We have the Marpac camo pattern with draw pulls. All right, I'm going to be 100% honest with you, Jim. You asked me to. What do I think about your sewing job? Fantastic, brother. Fantastic. I would not lie to you. Growing up, my mother was a very crafty lady, and she would oftentimes make dolls and pillows and all sorts of crafty things. So I grew up knowing what good sewing looked like. And buddy, you got it going on. I'm impressed, man. I'm going to put you on the spot, turn it inside out, and check out your seams. So when it comes to your stitching, buddy, you've done an awesome job. If you are just starting out and this is what you're doing, man, your future is bright. Yeah, very, very impressed. Very, very impressed. Smaller, lighter item first. Wow. Wow, man. Wow. Check that out, everyone. It's a wool vest. You have the buttons. Camp Happy Outfitters by Jim Graham. Check that out. Okay. Oh man, buddy, that is nice. I mean, it fits perfectly too, bud. I mean, you did an amazing job. I mean, check that out. What do you guys think? Huh? It's got the side pockets. Inside pockets. Man. Wow. I love it, buddy. I love it. Again, your handiwork, your craftsmanship is fantastic. I mean, it really is. I cannot wait for it to get cold enough to actually use this. Right now, it is not. It is way too hot. It is 85 degrees right now. It is nice and warm. All right, everyone. Let's move on to this here. Let me tell you, folks, this thing is heavy. You can tell it is wool. Whoa, dude. That is amazing. Check that out, everyone. Nice hood. I will put this on for 1 second. It's too hot to wear this for long, but for 1 second. So with this here, it's meant to have the belt around the waist, and it is supposed to be long. Wow, dude. Jim, my friend, thank you so very much, buddy. This is amazing. Your future is indeed bright. Gotta take this thing off. I can't stay in this very long. It is simply too hot. But check that out. Wow. That is fantastic, man. I absolutely love it. I am definitely not worthy of your time, your efforts, your skills. Wow. That is so nice, bud. So well thought out. I'm incredibly impressed. I'm incredibly honored. I will certainly keep this and those other items forever. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Now it has to come off. Jim, I'd keep it on forever, buddy, but that is a serious, serious coat. Again, just an amazing job. It really is. Thank you so much, Jim. Thank you, buddy. For this viewer mail episode, I am incredibly thankful. Thank you so very much, everybody. Bob, Mick, Jim, you guys are amazing. Thank you for taking your time to make me feel so good and appreciated. Thank you guys so much. Everybody, make sure to comment down below, share your thoughts about these packages. An amazing job to all. Thank you very much for tuning in. Until next time, strength and honor.